Let's go, plate out. Welcome back to the F word. Time for the main course.
Herb roasted rump of lamb. For me, personally, one of my all-time favourite cuts. Delicious.
Score.
And just sliced through.
Anchovies. Rosemary. Garlic. Stuff.
In.
Salt. Pepper. Hot pan. Olive oil.
What we're going to do now is colour the lamb.
Olive oil. Rosemary. Anchovies. Hot oven, 12 minutes.
Bang. Absolutely beautiful.
Rest. Vinaigrette. Balsamic vinegar. Rosemary. Mustard. Olive oil. Lemon. Sieve. Carve.
That is amazing.
Herb-studded lamb with warm vinaigrette. Done. Come on, a bit more generous. One more in there, please, Rav. Quick. Yep. What's we got colour on there? Into the oven, yes? Right, Lise, back out.
Yep.
You tell me what's wrong with that pan. What about the noise?
Not hot enough.
Not hot enough. There you go. Start all that again. Get that pan really hot. Otherwise, you're going to boil the meat. Yeah?
Right. Yes.
Come on, guys, we can do this, yeah?
How is the lamb supposed to end up cooked?
The lamb, pink.
Pink.
We're not doing mediums and well done. We're going to do pink, yeah?
First table's been in for 12 minutes now.
Yep, it's got to rest, don't forget, yes?
Yeah.
Christian, you're all right. You look a bit knackered. A long service is longer than 30-minute news bulletin. You know that?
50 minutes,
So good to see you doing a fucking full day's work. Ravi,
yes.
Think lamb. That second pan should be ready to come out.
Yes, excuse me.
No, stop. This is the first one, please. Really important. If we get that wrong, the whole temperature, is going to go. Right, guys, we're ready to plate up our first dish now, yes?
Yeah. Yes, chef.
Let's go. Ravi, I hope you're thinking about your lamb in the oven.
Yeah.
You're not overcooking it, yes?
Yeah.
Good. Right, all times recipes on the website, so log on and get in the kitchen. Right. Who's doing the sauce?
Me.
Oh, no.
All right.
Never lift it. They come out the oven. Show me. Under cold water. Fucking hell. Don't lift these pans up. Ravi, I thought you'd learn from your big brother's mistake. Medic, please.
Yes.
And Mr. Gilmurphy, they look beautiful, yes? Really nice, yeah? Well done. Let's go. Go. Table 8.
Smells delicious.
Thanks very much.
Come on, Christian. Fuck me. Huh? Now, you're in the same position that Rafi was in earlier with the starters, yeah? We're one man down, yes?
Yep.
Let's go.